Hi students, today's topic is algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, how to simplify the polynomials means add and subtraction between the algebraic expression. The first one AB minus BC, BC minus CA and CA minus AB. There are three polynomials are there. How to add? So we can arrange the like terms and we can add and subtract only the like terms. So while arranging it, AB and here minus AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA. We can arrange the polynomials, means we can arrange the like terms. Like term means the variable must be the same and we can add and subtract the coefficients. Here the like terms, here AB and AB, but here the coefficient along with AB it is plus 1 and here's minus 1, so it becomes 0. BC and BC both are like terms, so minus 1 plus 1 it becomes 0. CA and CA minus CA and plus CA, minus 1 and plus CA means minus 1 and plus 1 it become 0. The last answer become 0. While simplify the polynomial, we will get the answer as 0. The next question, it is 2p minus 3pq plus 4 plus 5p, because addition, that's why the plus sign, plus 7pq minus 3. So here while arranging it is 2p and plus 5p, both are like terms, we can add, so it become the coefficient while adding it is plus 2 and plus 7, it becomes 7 plus 7, and minus 3pq plus 7pq, it become 4pq, and plus 4 and minus 3 become plus 1. So while arranging the like terms and while adding the coefficient of the like terms, we will get plus 7p, because 2p and 5p it becomes 7, minus 3 plus 7 it become plus 4, and 4 minus 3 it become plus 1. And subtraction, the first polynomial from the second polynomial. So the second polynomial we have to write first. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 and minus, and you're using the bracket because the minus sign, the sign will be changed. We have to open the bracket with the minus sign. So while adding minus 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3, and we have to open bracket with the minus 1. Minus 1 into plus 4 it become minus 4a, minus 1 into minus it become plus 7ab, minus multiply plus it become minus, and minus multiply plus it become minus 12. Now we have to arrange the like terms. So this is 12a along with another 12, this is minus 4a, and 12 minus 4 it become 8a, minus 9ab and plus 7ab it become minus 2ab, plus 5b and minus 3b it become plus 2b, minus 3 minus 12 become minus 15. So while arranging the like terms and while simplify the like terms, the coefficient while adding, you have to use the integers rule, and so it is 12a and minus 4a, so it become plus 8a, and minus 9ab and plus 7ab it become minus 2ab, plus 5b and minus 3b it become plus 2b, and minus 3 and minus 12 is a constant, so the numbers normally how we are adding the same way only, so minus 15. So this question number 4 also subtraction only. So 5i, because the first polynomial from the second polynomial. So the second polynomial I am writing first. 2yz plus 10y z minus, using the bracket, 3y plus 5z minus 7z. Subtraction, because the sign minus sign, you will open bracket, the sign will be changed. 5y minus 2y plus 10yz minus 1 into minus 3 become minus 3y, minus 1 plus minus 5yz plus 7z, minus into minus it become plus. The like terms here it is 5y and minus 2y become this is 2yz. So here it is 5y minus 3y, these are the like terms, so answer is this 2y minus 2yz and plus 10yz. So here it will be plus 7 and here also minus 5. So 5z, there are 3 terms are there. So minus 2 plus 10 it become plus 8, and plus 8 minus 5 become plus 3yz. And last term it is alone, that is 7z. And next one, there is no, the word from is not there, but minus sign in front of the bracket, so you have to open the bracket. 3a square plus 5b minus 5a square plus 2b, because minus sign in minus 1 into 5 minus into minus, it become plus 2b. So while arranging this 3a square and minus 5a square are like terms. The variables are same with the power also must be the same. So 3a square minus 5a square becomes minus 2a square, and 5b plus 2, it is 7b. So this is the way we can simplify the polynomial addition and subtraction. It means the concept that is we have to add and subtract only the like terms when the variable must be the same, along with the power also must be the same, and then we can add and subtract the coefficient of the standing along with the variable. The next video I will explain about the multiplication division in algebraic expression. Thank you.